today's tutorial we're going to cover using the Archive Wizard and then emailing those files as attachments to somebody. So we're going to go into Archive Wizard. We're going to take the default backup files, the default user files, and we're going to select a couple of files here to use. In sending. Now, the only thing that I can say about this in detail, as a detail, is that if the file that you're emailing has a WAV file or an audio file, you're going to want to uncheck that if you're using regular email. If you're using something like Whalemail or any of those programs that allow you to upload large audio files or large files in general, then you can leave that checked. So we'll go ahead and click Next. Because we are sending this to a specific destination, and I've made a folder on my desktop called Winter Backups, I'm going to deposit these there. So if it's not already set up to go into your Winter Backups, what you'll do is click on Browse, and this will bring up the navigation window. I know that my Winter Backups folder is at the bottom of this because it's in my desktop, and I'm going to select it by clicking on it and highlighting it, and then click on OK. And then I'm going to click Finish, and it's going to go through and do those three that I selected, and I'm going to click on OK. It's going to give us right back to the loop that tells us, would you like to do another archive operation, and we'll click No. Minimize Winter. Find your Winter Backups folder and just verify that your three that you backed up are sitting here. And they are. I'm going to close this folder. Now on to our mail. Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using my Yahoo Mail. And you click on New for creating a new email. I'm going to send this to somebody I know. Put a subject and a little text. In most cases there will be something somewhere in your emailing. Sometimes it's going to be here on your toolbar, and it'll look like a paperclip, or it'll say attachments, and as you can see down here in the bottom left it says attach, and so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And if it doesn't take you to your Winter Backups folder, and after the first time it should probably take you there unless you go someplace else and attach from a different place, then you'll have to come up here, click on the down arrow key, and if you've put it in your desktop, you'll click on Desktop, and then you should see your Winter Backups folder, and then you should be able to select one or more than one by pressing and holding your Shift key, clicking on the first one, and then while holding that Shift key, clicking on the last one. That'll take all three of those at the same time. We'll click on Select, and as you can see down here, it is actually uploading the files, and once it's got them all, it puts little green check marks, or in some cases it might tell you that they've been attached successfully. At this point you're ready, set to go. As soon as they're attached, then you just hit send, and then your computer will go through the process of sending these files. There you go. Thank you very much.